Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming device compatibility and turning on Wi-Fi. Miracast needs both devices visible. Open the Miracast app on the receiver and the source device immediately. Once done, grant screen capture and location permissions on your phone or PC so the app can scan. Make sure the receiver is in listening or pairing mode, then tap Scan in the app. You should see the receiver appear. Select it to start the connection process without delay. Once you select the receiver, accept the pairing prompt and enter the PIN if one appears. This secures the link. Make sure you allow both screen and audio capture so sound streams with video. Then choose resolution or scaling in the Miracast app to match your display. This reduces stretching and overscan. Also close background apps that hog CPU and set your source to stay awake. Finally, prefer a 5 GHz connection to reduce lag and improve image quality. To finish, stop casting from the Miracast app or your device's quick settings. This cleanly ends the session. You can adjust orientation, audio output, and app display options mid-session to polish the experience. If the image stutters or won't connect, reboot both devices and check for firmware or driver updates on the receiver and source. Make sure both devices truly support Miracast. If compatibility fails, try an alternate method, like HDMI or a different casting protocol.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.